If you see an E error flashing on your Casio HR-150TEC calculator, it usually indicates that the calculator has encountered an invalid function or that its memory is overloaded. This error is essentially the calculator's way of telling you that it is confused by the input it has received. It might happen if you enter a calculation that the device cannot process or if the memory is full from previous operations. Understanding this is the first step to resolving the issue effectively. To clear the E error, start by pressing the C button once or twice. This action cancels the current error and allows you to continue using the calculator without resetting it completely. If pressing CEC does not resolve the problem, the next step is to press the AC button. This will reset the current operation and clear the error message from the display, giving you a fresh start for your calculations. If the error persists even after trying to clear it, you should turn the calculator off using the power switch and then turn it back on. This simple restart can often fix minor glitches. If the problem still remains, locate the reset button, which is usually found on the back of the calculator or near the paper feed area. Use a small pin or similar object to press this button gently. This action will reset the calculator to its default settings and should clear any persistent errors. After resetting, it is important to review the formulas or calculations you are entering. Make sure that your inputs do not exceed the calculator's memory capacity or include unsupported functions. Using complex or incorrect formulas can trigger the E error again. Keeping your calculations within the device's limits will help prevent future errors and ensure smooth operation. If none of the previous steps work, try removing and reinserting the batteries. This can help clear any internal memory glitches that might be causing the error. Once you have completed these steps, your Casio HR-150TEC calculator should be ready to use again without any issues. Remember, regular maintenance and careful input can help avoid these errors in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and follow for more quick tech fixes.